Hello viewers, today we will discuss about the interesting problem of electricity. So question is, in the electrical circuit shown three endpoints A, B and C are maintained at potential 60 volt, 30 volt and 110 volt respectively. Find first of all one is potential of junction J, that is J, understood. Second one is current through the resistors. What are the various currents, that is the circuit A to J and J to B and C to J, understood. So there are three endpoints, that is A, B and C, and there are the contents 60 volt, 30 volt and 110 volt respectively, understood. There are three resistors, namely 4 ohm, 2 ohm and 8 ohm. So let us consider first this is the current I1 flow through A to J, and that is current I2 that is flow from B to J, and that is current I3 that flows from C to J, understood. So here at the junction J, that is the, let us consider that is the potential is V0, understood. So we know that according to Kirchhoff's first law, that is the junction that is I1 plus I2 plus I3, the current through the junction that is equal to 0, that is Kirchhoff's current law, understood. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0, or we can write here what is the value of I1. I1 is, that is we know that is V1 by R1, or V is equal to IR, or V1 is equal to I1 R1, that is I1 is equal to V1 by R1. Here V1 is equal to what? How much? Now that is 60 minus V0. 60 minus V0 by R1 is equal to 4 ohm. Understood? Why V1 is equal to 60 minus V0? We read in the potential difference chapter, that is V is equal to here VB minus VA, that is the net voltage across the circuit, understood. So I1 is equal to 60 minus V0 by 4, or I2 is equal to V2 by R2, or we can write here 30 minus V0 by 2 ohm, understood. So because that is 30, that is V0, that is 30 minus V0 by 2, so here that is I2, and that is I3 is equal to, similarly we can write here V3 by R3, or that is 110 by 110 minus V0 by how much? That is 8, understood. That is the resistance R3. So putting the values of I1, I2 and I3 in this equation, we get what? That is first of all 60 minus V0 by 4 plus 30 minus V0 by 2 plus 110 minus V0 by 8 is equal to 0, understood. So that is, simplify this, we get how much? That is 8, that is 120 minus 2 V0 plus 120 minus 4 V0 plus 110 minus V0 is equal to 0, understood. This is a simplification of this equation, or we can notice here that is 120 plus 120, that is 240, 240 plus 110, that is 350 minus 2 V0 minus 6 V0 minus 7 V0 is equal to 0, because that is 8 into 0 is equal to 0, understood. So here that is 350 is equal to 7 V0, or V0 is equal to how much? That is 50 volt, understood. So this is the first answer of our questions, that is potential of junction J, that is how much? That is V0 is equal to 50 volt, understood. So here the second question is here, current through the resistors. What are the currents? That is I1, the value of I1, the value of I2, the value of I3. Here we found the V0 is equal to 50 volt. So here we can put, that is V0, the value of V0. So understood. So we can write here I1 is equal to, we know that 60 minus V0 by 4, or that is 60 minus 50 by 4, or 10 by 4, that is 2.5 ampere, understood. So that is I2 is equal to how much? 30 minus 50 by 2, that is minus 20 by 2, and that is how much? That is minus 10 ampere. Understood? So that is, what is the value of I3? I3 is equal to 110 minus V0 by 8. That means 110 minus 50 by 8, or we can write here 60 by 8, or simplify that is 30 by 4, or how much? That is 15 by 2, or that is 77.5 ampere. This is one complicated. So we can write here the value of I1, I2 and I3. That is, one is 2.5 ampere, second one is minus 10 ampere, and that is 7.5. Oh, here, this is, notice here, that is minus 10 ampere. How much? That is, what is the possible? How the value possible, man? Minus 10 ampere. Minus 10 ampere means the, in the circuit we can write here the changes here, that is I2 is flowing through, that is J to B, or we can write here the current flows from I1, that is A to J. Understood? And the direction, that is from J to B, that is I2. Then the direction of I2 is J to B, and the direction of I3 is C to J. Understood? So that is J. Understood? So what is the value of the current through the resistors? So I1 is 2.5 ampere, I2 is the 10 ampere in the different direction, and I3 is the 7.5 ampere. That is the answer. So keep supporting, friends. That is, please subscribe my channel and keep supporting. Thank you.